Hi guys, my name is Tatiana and I decided to record a few videos on privacy settings and different tips about apps and software which I use. If you're interested, check my playlist. I will be putting them into the playlist. So in this video, I want to teach you how to block or restrict someone on Facebook. On your desktop, log in into your Facebook and then click on the icon with your profile in the top right corner, and then you will see settings and privacy. Click on settings. There's actually a faster way to get there. What you can do is that you can just open a browser and then go to Facebook settings, and then automatically you get to the same page. If you click on blocking, you will get to the page with blocking. So here is a restricted list, which I find helpful because, for example, you just want people to see your public and you are okay keeping them as a friend, but you don't want them to see certain posts made to the lists, which is quite common actually for people who use social media for advertising, or they just want to stay connected to more people for whatever reason, and they post often public. So here I have, for example, 6 people. I don't remember who they were. I'm gonna check it now. But basically, I just didn't feel like defriending them, but I wanted to restrict what they see. They will only see public posts made on timeline, but not the ones you make for friends or to certain lists. What's important is that Facebook doesn't notify friends when you put them to such lists. So if you want to restrict someone, you just click on Add to Restricted List. It gives you kind of suggestions, I guess, of probably people you added recently. I don't have anyone to restrict now. For example, I have a second profile which I don't use. I'll just, add it to show you. So, okay, so here I was blocked. Like, I mean, that's not nice, but... And now, for example, if you want to unblock, then you go to the list of people and you click remove. So I'm gonna remove myself, and then it just tells me that, okay, this person has been removed. Now there are also blocked users, and these ones are someone you don't want to hear at all. For example, I had a couple of strange people, messaging me random messages, and I just thought I don't like to deal with it. So here also I have 6 people, for example. Again, like, I'm gonna check who they are. If you want to add someone, you just put here a name and it will find the person, and then you click OK. I'm not gonna do it because I don't need to block anyone. Okay, so there are a few more things here to look at. For example, you can block messages when someone is not your friend, but they can contact you on Messenger. And also, I assume it's the same procedure. For some reason, I have more people. Here, for example, I had blocked a couple of chats which were used by my colleagues to promote their services, and I don't really want to get those automatic notifications. I'll try to unblock one, for example, because I'm curious what they will say. I like those people. I just wasn't interested, I guess, in their follow-up messages. You can also block app invites. This is interesting. I haven't used it before. I wish you can block advertisement. I don't know how you can block it. Anyways, once you block app invites from someone's profile, you'll automatically ignore future app requests from that person. You can also block an event invites, which I think is a great thing. Let's see if I have any. I have 2 people. I guess they were a little bit too much. I think in some cases, honestly, it's just worth defriending the person to stop this. People do it out of hospitality sometimes. They just want you to come to their events. Like, for example, Argentine Tango organizes or Kizomba or Zouk organizes. But at the same time, you can't attend all events, It becomes a little bit too much. Interestingly, that you can block app invites, and also you can block apps. I'm still not fully understanding what app invites means in this case. You can also block apps, and you can no longer contact, or I don't know what apps means. Let's learn more. Okay, so as you see here, they show you some apps. So apparently Facebook dating, I haven't tried it. People recommended me, but I don't trust it, to be honest. And then also there is Messenger, I suppose, and some other apps. So I guess you can block them. You can also block pages if some page consistently, I don't know, sends information to you or invites you, I guess. If you know, guys, what the difference is, let me know. I mainly wanted to show you how to block users, but that's pretty much how you do it. Like this video if it was useful, subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you later in another video. Stay well.